안녕하세요 여러분, Grace Jung입니다. 만나서 반가워요. So I am going to do a little review on a merchandise that I bought. This was pre-ordered through MMT, My Music Taste, and I actually unboxed this already, like a week ago or so, and it's been just sitting on my shelves. But I have used it, but I'm giving you guys my opinion and review about it. So what I'm talking about is ATEEZ. Their release perfume, but it just smells like cologne, by the way. But it smells really good. But yeah, so this is their ATEEZ World Tour 2020. This is a limited edition merch, and I really like the packaging of it. It's a durable box, and I expected it to be a lot bigger, but when it came through my mailbox, it was a lot smaller. Yeah, so this is ATEEZ Perfume limited edition. Like I said, I ordered this through MMT, My Music Taste. And so yeah, so I'll let you guys. So this is the little packaging wrap. As you can see, very cute. The sticker, I mean, the little tape, kind of like couldn't stick anymore, so this is the box. Here's the back, and then the side, that's ATEEZ right there, and then their hourglass logo theme. But yeah, so this ATEEZ Destiny 18E, ATEEZ World Tour 2020. Aquador limited edition. So when you open it this way, I'll open it this way for you guys. Like so. It has like a little certificate up here, and then it tells you what this is. So inspired by 18E concept of ATEEZ. So it's ATEEZ ordered by Apple. I only ordered one. I wanted to order two, but I'm above 18E. I only bought one. So I said forever you're my star, and then their names are right there on the bottom. So the name of the perfume is Star 1117. Of course is dedicated to 18E, so that is when 18E got their name. So 1117. So yeah, so it's dedicated to 18E. Star 1117's notes. Citrus for woodley. So the top is citrus, aldehydes, orange, bergamot, and the mid is floral, magnolia, violet, clove, and the base of the perfume is fruity, not sweet, patchouli, cedarwood, and vanilla. So this is, and this says ready to accelerate the fellowship. So yeah, so ATEEZ World Tour for 2020 is ATEEZ World Tour The Fellowship, but of course it's been cancelled because of the pandemic. Alright, so when you open the box, like real bit, you get the code card, and then gotta breathe and just keep it up, is what it says on there. So I'll take that out. So, very pretty. So we'll look through the photo cards later. Let's just get to the perfume and stamp and to choose that. So this is what you get. I'm sorry, the lighting is awful. So make it better. Like so. So you get the glitter perfume, the tattoo perfume, and then the stamp. So I'm gonna start with the glitter perfume. So this is the glitter perfume. Star 1117. So you want it this way. Then you first have to take this covering off. And there is very sparkly. But when you actually put it on your skin, you won't see the glitter. It's just very shiny or sparkly. Like so. So it smells really good, but it smells like men's cologne. I think that's supposed to be the concept of this perfume, but I'm not complaining because after it smells really good. Like I'm very picky when it comes to like smell of perfume. Like I like floral smell, like lavender. Also like for my perfume right now, like my spray, I have a cherry blossom spray from Bath and Body Works. It's like my favorite. But this smells really good, like really good. Sorry, I'm like mumbling, but staring too. But the most I can smell from this perfume is the citrus side, and I'm not very like, I used to not like citrus smell, but this is the smell of the citrus is really good because it's mixed with floral. So like it smells good. So yeah, so this is the perfume, so I'm gonna put it on my wrist for you guys. Okay, so like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very, let's see, put it this way. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very sparkly. Oh, there you go. See that? See that shine right there? Yeah. So it's just shine, but there's no glitter on it. And it smells good. It smells really good. Like I try not to use this all the time, but I really love the smell. Because I only bought one, and this is only limited edition, so I try not to use it all the time. But the lasting on this is 12 months. I don't know if you can see it. You see it right here? It's only for 12 months. Hopefully, past 12 months, it still, you know, has that scent to it. But yeah, so this is the glitter perfume. Okay, now let's go with the Tartu perfume. So you get the stamp. This is the stamp, if you guys didn't know. And then this is the what's it called? Like the perfume. I don't know what it's called, but this is like the the stamp right here. You can tell I already used it. But you know, the little I don't know what this is called. But anyway, so this is these two right here. So this is Tattoo Perfume, Star 1117, and then right there is the logo. And the lasting for both of these is 3 months. So let's see if you can see it. So, I'm gonna open, oh, this is the ink, there we go. But the ink actually has a smell to it too. It's like you can't really smell it at first. This is the ink or the stamp. But like once you actually put it on your skin, it actually has a scent to it. So this is the little stamp, it's their logo again, the hourglass. I'm gonna stamp it like so. Very black. So I'm gonna put it on my wrist here. I don't know which way is it gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. So like so. Stamp it. It's very black, like the ink is really good. I'm bad at stamping stuff. So that's what it looks like. Hourglass. I actually made it crooked on my wrist. No, that's not good. But I'll stamp it again for you guys, like correctly this time. Okay, so I'm gonna do it here. There we go. Much better. Weird angle. Okay. This is a weird angle. From Mars. So you can tell this is a lot better than this one. But yeah. It has a smell to it too. It's more on the citrus side when it comes to the stamp. But it still smells. Okay. So for the glitter perfume. I actually wore it for the whole day. It lasted like about not the whole day. The smell only lasts about, I would say, 12 hours or so, 14 hours. But yeah, as for the tattoo, it actually stays throughout the whole day, but you can actually take it out when you actually wash it off with water. So yeah, the tattoo perfume actually lasts for the whole day, but the scent doesn't last the whole day. It's just the tattoo itself that lasts the whole day. I mean, it'll fade out slowly if you like rub your arm or anything like that, or any part of your body that you actually stamp yourself on. But it lasts. Just it fades if you actually touch it throughout the whole. Like I said, if you touch it. But yeah, you can actually wash this off immediately if you want with water and soap. Like for the perfume, it lasts, I would say, about 14 hours. But yeah, this is really good. I'm actually happy I bought this. At first it's like, oh my gosh, should I buy it or not? Because this is a total of like $65 with the shipping. I got the DHL shipping because COVID. I couldn't do like normal postage, but it's DHL. But yes, I'm very happy with this. Oh yeah, and the photo cards. Got to show you guys the photo cards. So each member's photo card has a little picture at the back, but I can't really show you guys the full picture. But basically what the back will make is this. But yeah. So here's the photo cards. Try not to the photo cards is really, oh, they're all so handsome. I know, like I've seen around on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, everyone's saying that they got duplicates for certain members when they order this. I do not have a duplicate. I got all 8 of them without any duplicates at all. So yeah, so that's it for that. Yeah, so kind of late for other ATEEZ out there who's like just started standing ATEEZ, but yes, I'm really happy with the purchase of this perfume, the Star 1117, and like I said, I try not to wear it every single day, but I can't help it because the smell is so good. It smells like a men's cologne, not gonna lie, but it smells good. Like you can't, it smells good. Like I'm not gonna complain that it smells like a men's cologne, but it does have a citrus and a floral smell to it. But the base, like the wood smell, you really can't smell it that much. So, but yeah, 100% recommend this to you guys. Even if you don't stand ATEEZ at all, I would still recommend this perfume to you guys. So yeah, so that is my review for the Stars 1117 or ATEEZ perfume, or ATEEZ perfume. So yeah, so that's it for me. Bye!